You're grabbing pigs.
I'm doing it. I was having the girls help me. That way I could get good faces. And
This pig.
he's the only one that'll go to his bowl and wait.
Wait. Wait for dinner.
What you all do to the...
Jesus. Thank you.
Slobber all over his forehead.
Nice.
Woo!
That's big.
See his butt. You can see a line where like. Look, see how he goes through it?
Look, my God! Look, my God! Look, my God! What's the best part about overalls? Best part about overalls?
As long as you don't lean forward.
Bowser. Bowsy.
How was dinner?
You loved it?
How was dinner?
I got all kinds
Did
of
you
pictures.
finish yours? Are you sure?
Once there's like nothing but liquid, it's fine.
No, I know. I'm just laughing. Are you sure you finished yours?
They all check.
I don't
everybody.
believe you. Better eat it all.
Do you see Gus's front feet though? How much shorter I
Getting a
got
lot
him?
better, yeah.
I just gotta keep going. He's been letting me get him a lot better. He's been realizing how much it's been helping him. So he's been letting me just lift his feet more and more.
Yeah.